let's see what vegan food I can find. I was zoomed in. We are at Spring Frenzy, which is like a food truck event. You are so cute! Yes! Hugo, right? Hi, Hugo. Yes, Hugo. Okay, you go eat. I got some Szechuan veggie tacos, but I don't think they're actually tacos. I think they're like buns. Like, you know those like... Oh, those it's like Chinese buns. White squishy thing. Yes, yeah, I think it's that. Because I saw people... They're called... Buns! No, they're called... Bao. So I got Szechuan veggie. Hopefully it's good. What are you doing? Gets kicked out of it. I'm just like gonna stalk them. Oh. So this is the Szechuan veggie.
And then this is...
Something is deep fried. I sent one of your videos to Christian, like you're in it for 3 seconds. Bougie. Oh, so bougie good. AF. I'm gonna try this. That's so good. Yeah. Try it. Holy. That is some good sweet. The grapefruit is so good in that. It's actually really good. I think the only other thing that I can really get is a burrito, but at the moment I'm not that hungry. I don't know, I think we just gonna chill, listen to some music. The music is pretty good, live music going on. So that is what's happening right now. This is an empanada, Chilean empanada. This one is black bean and chipotle, I believe. Yes, black bean and chipotle empanada. Let's try this empanada. Yeah, I'm gonna play later. So we got these popsicles. That one is which one? Fire something, so it's like coconutty mango. This one's like raspberry. This one is pink lemonade. I think mine's the best. So good. It's so pretty. Oh, I think. So now we are out of the food truck area. We are walking toward East Village, and I think we're almost there. Have you been to East Village?
Nope. First time.
First time. This is the cultural center. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is. They basically made it super bougie. So we are going to Char Bar, which is like a restaurant slash bar, which is also, it's not, yeah, it's kind of bougie. And then it has like a rooftop bar, so hopefully it's not too packed. I feel like it might be. And then this plan is going to shit. The river is really nice. So this condo, I've been in there before. Ooh, tables. Oh, do we talk to somebody? Oh, okay, we do. That over there is really nice too. Yeah. Look at these Simpson clouds, they're so nice. Hello, we are now at Char Bar and we made it to the rooftop. They had a table for us. It was perfect. The stars were aligned. Everything is beautiful. And the weather is beyond perfection. So the river, I don't know if you guys can see from here, but it's so nice. Are you Insta-storying?
Yeah.
Yes.
Doing basic shit.
This isn't basic, okay? As much. I know, it's because, you know, I'm just showing such great things about this city.
I was influenced.
You were influenced. I'm gonna take a little video. Let's do a little cheers, you know? And then I also want boomerang. We're gonna get really dark. You're already like halfway there. So we got some wine. Say hi.
Hello.
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 You didn't know I was British, did you?
No, you sound Australian.
Oh god.
Hello. This is so nice up here, people. This is a secret gem. Oh my god, I'm so tan now. Do you realize how dark I am?
Yeah, you guys definitely
I literally, yeah.
You too, literally.
Oh my god, I changed. Do you see this? Look at this. Do you see this?
You too, definitely.
Like, it's look. Okay guys, so we've been sitting in the sun
It's crazy.
for a long time. We are now having sangria. Yes, okay, so let's do a tan line comparison. Oh, you are like worse than me. This hot,
what my
very hot.
Yeah, natural skin is.
Yes.
We're not too
So we were just here for like a few hours. You know, talking about random things. You know? Anyways, innocent topics of discussion. So now we are on to our third round of drinks. Because the first one was wine, the second one was cocktails, and now we're on sangria, even though I called it basic and boring and not strong enough. Cheers.
very good. We have alcohol, it's all matters.
I love this rooftop. It's great. Everyone's listening to our conversation because it's really interesting.
We're very loud.
We're very loud.
We're Korean.
Are Koreans loud?
Yes.
Koreans are loud.
And Chinese people.
Many hours later, we're still here. What time is it right
It's
now?
like almost 6.
We've been here for how long?
I don't know what time we came. What time did we come here?
Like a while ago. We have literally changed color. We've gone through many drinks and we're drinking again. And these sunglasses are sick because you can see the reflection and it's almost like camouflaging my eye. I don't even know what I'm saying. It is a long weekend, so I feel like we can justify our binge drinking. We're gonna get another drink. This is our fourth round. Is it our fourth round?
Yeah.
Angela, every time I drink with Angela, every time I drink with Angela, it's like out of control.
Really?
Yeah.
Angela.
Me and Angela together, we are toxic. If we were opposite sex, it would be a toxic relationship.
We're already dating. What are you talking
Pretty much. Woo! We're now walking by the river. And apparently I'm talking in an accent once again.
I'm down for that.
It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Just like this woman right here. So beautiful. We're still in East Village. We're gonna walk toward more centralized locations and we need to get some food because all we've been doing is
Drinking.
pounding down the alcoholic beverages. The server was very funny and I think he was trying to get with me and Angela, but
I was the cock block.
he was great. He was hilarious. Anyways, it's very windy. You probably can't even hear me, so bye.
Wait, are you back at this again?
Back at it again. So yeah, you need to be careful what you say because I could make you look really bad.
Oh no, don't.
We're going to Chinatown at this point. We are hungry and I feel like I already told you this, but because I'm drunk, I can tell you this again. So this is kimbap. It's like bibimbap, but like I did not know this place existed. So this is chewy spicy noodles. Whoa. I'm gonna try this. Whoa.
What? This is.